Hey, Colony. Building a financial dam in Canada can feel like trying to chew through a frozen maple tree. You've got the tax man, let's call him the Hungry Raccoon, constantly trying to nibble on your hard-earned logs. To stop him, the government gave us two special buckets, the TFSA and the RRSP. But if you put the wrong logs in the wrong bucket, you might lose a lot of wood. Today, we're going to master the strategy so you can build a dam that lasts a lifetime. First, the tax-free savings account. The name is actually a bit of a trick. It's not just for savings, it's an investment basket. The rule, you put money in that's already been taxed, but once it's in, it's like a fortress. Any interest or stock growth is tax-free forever. For 2026, the new limit is $7,000. If you've never used one and were 18 in 2009, you could have up to $109,000 of space. The Beaver's secret? If you take money out to buy a new canoe, you get that space back next year. It's the ultimate bucket for freedom. Now, the Registered Retirement Savings Plan. This is for the long-term builders. The big win, when you put logs in here, the government ignores that income. If you earned $60,000 but put $10,000 in your RRSP, you only pay taxes if you earned $50,000. You get a tax refund check in the mail, which is basically free wood. The catch, you pay tax when you take it out later. The goal is to put money in when you're a high-earning beaver and take it out when you're a retired chill beaver in a lower tax bracket. 2026 tip, you can contribute up to 18% of your income, max $33,810 this year. Here is the golden rule for 2026. Low income, earning under $50,000, stick to the TFSA. Your tax savings in an RRSP aren't that big yet, and you'll want the flexibility. High income, earning $100,000 plus, the RRSP is your best friend. It shields your highest taxed logs. The Beaver Pro move? Put money in your RRSP, take the tax refunds check the government sends you, and dump that into your TFSA. That's how you build a dam twice as fast. Time for some questions from the colony. Mrs. Moose asks, can I have both? Yes, in fact, most successful Canadians use both. Sir Squirrel asks, what if I over-contribute? Ouch. The Hungry Raccoon, the CRA, will charge you a 1% penalty every month on the extra. Keep a log of your logs, folks. Mr. Bear asks, can I buy US stocks? Use your RRSP for US stocks to avoid the 15% border crossing tax on dividends. The US recognizes the RRSP, but they think that TFSA is just a regular squirrel hole. That's it for today. Remember, the best time to start building was yesterday. The second best time is today. Subscribe to Beaver Invests to keep your dam strong. Check the links below for a free checklist of the 2026 limits. See you at the pond.